chicken wings? Remember to save this delicious chicken wings recipe. It is very simple to make and can be easily made in a rice cooker. The chicken wings are tender, sweet and delicious, and the whole family loves them. Let's make rice cooker honey chicken wings. Welcome to subscribe my channel and save this recipe so you may refer back when you need this recipe. Honey has the effects of nourishing the middle, moisturizing dryness, relieving pain and detoxifying. Modern medicine has proved that honey has the effects of promoting digestion and absorption, increasing appetite, calming and sleeping, strengthening the body, improving intelligence, increasing hemoglobin, improving the myocardium and sterilizing the oral cavity. Ingredients: chicken wings, ginger. Marinate chicken. 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 tablespoon cooking oil, 1 teaspoon Shaoxing wine. Mix well and set aside. Sliced ginger. Stir-fry ginger slices. Add chicken wing, face the skin part downwards. Cover the lid, select rice cooking button to start cooking. Add 1 tablespoon oyster sauce after 15 minutes. Stir every. Add honey after 10 minutes, then cover the lid and continue cooking. Chicken wings is done. Smells so good. Plate chicken wings. Honey sweetness tastes of chicken wings tastes great. The nutritional content of different parts of chicken varies. Chicken breast has a very low fat content and contains a lot of vitamins, such as vitamin B and niacin, the latter of which can play a certain role in lowering cholesterol. Chicken wings contain more fat, so people who want to lose weight should try to eat less. Friends who like cooking may consider following my YouTube channel for more delicious recipes. If you can, please give me a like, which is the greatest encouragement to me. Thank you all. There are 3,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah. I will upload bilingual video recipes every day. Chinese video will be uploaded at noon while English version at 8:30 p.m. Welcome to follow and save recipes you like. Remember to follow my channel so you will be able to find me when you need cooking inspiration. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, yeah.